Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Candy brand front loader washing machine. This machine is washer and dryer. This machine having problem, actually machine is working but it's not making, it's making while running time, while spinning time, it's making huge noise. It is abnormal. That's mean actually its bearing and seal gone. We have to remove the machine. We have to take it out the tub because this machine special, not like any other machines, because this one four sides already covered. That's mean we are not able to remove the front cover. We have to remove, we can remove only the top cover only. After that only we have to take it up the whole drum set. Now I have to repair this machine, and I will show you how to repair that one. It is a little bit difficult, but anyway I will show you how to do that, and we will go to the next step. Now I already given power connection. Now I have to select direct spin cycle. In this machine, actually here you can see it is selector switch is no. Here we have only rings and spin cycle. Now I have to cancel the rings. After that it will come drain and spin cycle. Through this I have to cancel. Now you can see here only the spin 10 minutes drain and spin. Again I will show you if you don't know how to select spin cycle direct with this machine. And I given already power. Here I have to go here rings and spin. After that we have to cancel rings. That's mean here we have to cancel one time, press. After that it will come spin plus drain. Now I have to start the machine. Now machine already start, drain pump working. Now machine will get start spin cycle direct. You can see here. Now you can hear the noise. It is abnormal. That's mean actually bearing already gone. Very loud noise coming from the machine. Still not increasing RPM. Now you can hear it's very bad noise actually from the machine. We will remove the back cover here. It's very bad voice, very loud noise from the machine. That's been already bearing gone. Now we have to remove motor and harness assemble, top cover. We will remove the top cover also. Now it's, you hear the noise. It is very bad noise from the machine. Now we have to remove all the here balance, heavy balance, also here dry duct, and everything we have to remove. After that only we can remove the detergent drawer here. Also having screws are here. I have to disconnect all the harness here. That's when we have to remove thermostat here, connections. Also fan blower. Now we have to remove the gasket rings first. After that, we can remove. We have to remove the gasket ring. Also gasket here. And now you can see here door lock. We have to remove this door lock here. Now we have to press this. It's like that, it will come. After pressing, you have to pull out and it will come like that, easy. No need to disconnect from the harness because we have to take full whole set. Now we will disconnect here front panel. Now we have to disconnect this one, otherwise it will get damaged. Because of that, we have to remove this, press this one. The one lock is here, and we can take it out after pressing. It's like that. Now dear friends, you can see here, this one, it is seal type. Actually we are not able to remove all four sides. It's like a box. We are not able to take. Because of that, we have to take whole set with the drum. That's why I told earlier it's a little bit difficult, this job. But anyway, we have to do that job. To remove the detergent drawer clamp here. Here gasket from the dry duct. Now we have to remove the harness hole, heater connection. Now I disconnect all the harness. You can see here dry duct. It is already his damage here also. We have to clean. After that it will be okay. Now harness I already released. Also detergent drawer and gasket. Also now I have to release here pressure switch tube. Also now we will remove the motor. Now I'm going to remove inlet valve also, because with the inlet valve is not coming, it will touch. Because of that, we have to remove this one and press and turn it. This side we can turn, and after that we can take it out. It will come like that. Also we will remove the harness also. Now I have to lay down the machine here, because we have to remove the dampers and this bellow. Now I have already removed all the harness and rubber below, everything. Now I have to remove the springs are here, and we will keep down first, and we have to remove the springs. Now only terrible work actually. Now we have to take it out from the top. Now I'm going to use old washing machine belt, because no way to here catch. Because of that, I'm going to use this one. Now we can hang. Now already I took out. We will keep down here. Now you can see here we have to remove this balance also. After that, we will go to the next step. We will remove this balance. Now you can see, dear friends, this one, it is seal type. If you are going to repair the bearing side, we have to cut this one, and we have to refix. Without cutting we are not able to. Otherwise we have to fix full set, whole set, drum set. Now we will try to cut this one and repair. Now we have to remove belt pulley. Now it came loose actually. Before cutting, you have to remove the heater here, otherwise this will get damaged. Because of that, this heater we have to remove. Now finally we have to use the straw bed. The remaining places we can cut. Now you can see, dear friends, I already cut drum. Now it will come like that. See, I have to clean properly. After that we can prepare the bearing area. Shaft is okay, only the problem bearing we have to change. After that we can resolve the problem. The bearing gone already, seal and bearing we have to change. Make it.